this time in my life, I really don't like to wait on my nails to dry. And so what ends up happening is that I don't paint them at all, and then they end up cracking and breaking. But that is why I own 100 bottles of Sally Hansen, because I like to be able to dry and go. And these really do dry fast. And hang on to the very end. We're going to paint our nails together, and you're going to see just how fast they dry. But I wanted to show you the colors that I got of the Reese's collection. I just got the 4, although I may have some more that I've misplaced. But you know how you take it into a room to polish your nails, and then you lay it down, and then you forget about it? That's probably something in this house somewhere. I don't really get the colors necessarily because these, I don't know. This one reminds me of a Reese's, but the rest I'm iffy on. We've got the purple. Let me put my glasses on and tell you the exact name so that you know what we're working with here if you're trying to decide on some colors. Oh goodness, these are very hard to read. Feeling hungry. That is so pretty. Who wouldn't want that? This yellow is Reese's Cup. Reese's is my favorite snack, so it made sense that I would get the entire collection, but I didn't. I did not get the entire collection. This is Reese's PB&J. And then this last one, purple is my favorite, by the way, is Reese's Candy. Oh, these are Reese's Pieces. Now it's starting to make sense to me. In my mind, there's only one Reese's Candy. Reese's Cups. And so in my mind, none of that didn't make sense because, but now I understand there are other Reese's Candies. So how about we polish our nails so you can see just how quickly this dries. I'll use them all so you can also see what they look like. Now, what we're not going to do is make fun of my sad, pitiful nails. We're not going to make fun of them. What we are going to do is do 4 and 4, and then I'll pick my favorite for my thumbs. How about that? I love that the brushes are big and fat, so it makes it so easy to paint on anything. I'm not great. This is not a tutorial. I'm just showing you the fingernail polish color. You know what? We're going to do 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and so we're going to go in some kind of order. I don't care that it gets on my skin because later I'll just peel it off. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, I gotta count them. I get it wrong. Typically, it takes 2 coats to get, in my opinion, I need 2 coats so that it looks nice and thick. But you could definitely do a thinner layer with just 1 coat. We're gonna set this one aside. I'm gonna leave it open. It's easier to mess with. Do I want to do purple? Yes, I do. In fact, I'm gonna open them all now. Don't mess up anything. This one's already dried. I just hit it with my finger. I just hit it right there with the palm of my hand, and it's already dry. Big the brush is. Compare it to a normal size brush. It's double the size. It's almost the size of your finger. So you just go one to, I got it on my desktop. Get it on my desktop. Get off there. 1 down the middle, and then you usually have to do 1 on each side. I'm not trying to make it perfect. Guess what? You don't either. Nobody's looking at your fingernails that closely. These don't even match. Oh, I got a job there, didn't I? Typically what I do is give it about 5 minutes because you can go right over the top with the colors again. You don't have to wait, but I like to wait about 5 minutes, maybe 2, maybe 1. Maybe I don't wait at all, just whatever you've got time for. If you're going to do a second coat, if you let them dry a little bit better in between, the longer you can let them dry, the better. Watch how quickly this dries. It's already drying up. Do you see that? The longer you can let them dry, the better the coats look. Let's do a second coat on one set and not a second coat on the other, so you see the difference in the coats. I'm gonna go with that is dry. Slightly over 2 minutes for 2 coats of fingernail polish. And no dents right where I just touched it. It's been long enough for the orange. Let's see. It's dry too. That's insane, don't you think? Okay, let's have a look at the differences in 1 coat and 2, so you know whether or not you want to do 1 or 2. That yellow is pretty thin with just 1 coat. I think the orange is fine either way. I prefer the purple with 2 coats, though it does make it almost black, but I still like it. And then the actual black, you like black, black, black. 2 coats is better. It's really just a preference thing. Hope that helps. I think this polish is as good as any polish. And especially if you're in a hurry and you're worried about having your nails dry, ruining them. That's why I pretty much predominantly buy these. I know that there are better brands. Maybe some of them even last longer as far as how long the polishes stay on. But in my experience, these stay on just as good as anything else. They dry 15 times as fast and they look great. I look like I look like Reese's Pieces. Aw, now I'm hungry.